Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Matt, Dluxfab.com. Hope you're having an awesome day. Today we're talking about supers. We're going to do an overview on this super truck, and then we're going to show you some videos of them running in Arizona at the AZ Summer Shootout. So yeah, we're just going to get some basic details over it. Please forgive the noise as I'm outside doing this because, well, this is a big rig. So I wanted some more room to show you guys than my bench would allow. So this is the super kit as you would buy it off of our website. I already made a video. Y'all see me build the tires already. Those are white dot rovers on our super wheels, all that. You saw me make those. This truck is equipped just as other than the tire choice. When I built these tires, you can build this kit entirely from the website. So it's about as you would see it. So as far as equipment on this truck, they come equipped with our medium shocks. They have these are Dlux. Y'all seen them before. Our super light axles. So I'm using a 0 degree kingpin inclination on the front. I'm using 8 on the rear. That seems to make the super happy. The reason we do the 8 on the rear is that minimizes your scrub steer, because if you would draw an imaginary line through your kingpins or these two screws, it keeps it the closest to the center of the tire. So as this turns, it keeps that scrub, and it won't shake the truck down or up a hill. So that's that. Servos, I run an NSDRCs RS800 V2s. Those are direct power. I'm running them on 4S. You can see the pack in there. I'll show you the pack in a minute. Futaba receiver, I'm running dual BR Mini ESCs. The motors I'm running are old school. If you can see them or not. There's old Holmes Hobbies Cobalt pullers. Let me turn the rig over. That's a 7-turn Cobalt puller, and you can see it barely fits in the super. Now those are 550 motors that are 7-slot, 7 turns, and those things are, well, they got some horsepower, and they drive real smooth on they're real nice. So the skid 7075 aluminum. There's my tech sticker from Arizona. Let's see here what else we're missing. Full 3/16 links all around us. Everything's 3/16 on the links. That's titanium. It'll as you can see, you can drive on its lid too, upside down. The chassis is mostly aluminum with the G10 inserts just for color and rigidity. Now these chassis on these things are real stiff. They're stout as you're going to get. Now as far as batteries, this is a 454 cell. Looks like my battery mount's loose after the runs in Arizona. That's all right. We'll show you anyway. These are, I'm going to tattoo 454 cells. Hopefully you guys can see that. Here, I'm going to put the phone, put this down, and I'll put it back in a second. But yeah, there's your brief overview. It's got 4-wheel steer. It's got front and rear, dig and burn. I'm using a Futaba 4PLS. Now this is an older radio. The only thing I don't have on this radio that I want to get yet, because I'm kind of a super noob, I need a way to independently operate the rear steer without using a mix with the front. And I don't have that yet. I may either upgrade my radio or just learn more how I can assign the rear steer to one of these buttons so I can have independent control. So you hold on a second here, I'll plug a battery in and we'll show you the rear steer and all that fun stuff. Please hold. All right, folks, we got it plugged in. So we got here. So we got our dig. I need to set up the Holmes hold on the front yet. I need to set up Holmes hold on these ESCs because I need a little more drag brake. But here's we got front, we got rear. That's just rear. Of course, we got our 4-wheel drive. So we got our front steer. Then I click a button on my radio, it's right here, set that up. So I can go, I don't know what you'd call this. They're together. Then you could switch a mode. Then you got crab. Then you got just front. I don't have a way on this radio yet to set it up where I can independently control it. I'm gonna do some more work and I think I might be able to figure out how to do it. But generally, that's pretty much how it works. So with that, it'll turn basically on a dime. You put it in dig, or you can do that and push the rear. Just push the rear around. Oh, now we're in trouble. Oh, we got her stuck in there. But yeah, more or less. I mean, this. You get it, fellas. All right, there's the Super. Next videos you'll see is you'll see a run from me in Arizona at Prescott Lake at the AZ Summer Shootout, and then just for a bonus, we'll throw in part of Jason's run from the shootout. So, all right, guys, have an awesome day.
Okay, drive up the car. There we go. Progress one. She's right here.
You're making me work today. Once he gets through.
Great progress. Okay, I hope I got the good. I got the stick out of the way. Let me through here. This is where I want to be. This great.
My bad.
5 minutes left.
I'm in the way. Sorry.
You know, I struggled here a little bit, but I just ended up working through. And I got stupid at the end. Because we thought about playing back on this, but that's working really well, getting that rear up like that.
The front stuck. Reverse. Lots of progress.
Progress, yeah.
Where am I going?
You're coming to me, okay? Sorry, you move that stick and it's staying there.
Any way you want to get there, Beast. You
Come
can
up
go
through
around.
That, you come up through that V there and come over, going across the road.
Stop time.
340 left. Don't forget the arrow's not your friend. It's just directional. That rock's right in the middle, but you can still drive over the top. Yep, forward from the bottom. Those arrows aren't your friend. And I really think the line is the line I took up through that crack there. Come on, bite that car. That's how I got that backed into it. That's progress 4. Come on, little truck. You can get this little truck. Push it up a little higher, I think. Oh, fuck. Okay. 245 left.
By a DJ. Really?
Big, turn that off.
Too bad. eBay.
There it is. Come on, truck. Bite that for him.
We're going right or left here.
It's going, here's the 2. And then we're coming out this direction. Once you get through it, 220 left.
Might just want to run it over. Time's your enemy.
220 left.
Yeah, bottom one's easy to run over.
And then back around to me. There you go. Gate. Progress. Bonus here on 6. 2 minutes. Progress in the gate. Loaded that load. Okay, this is a great defrag. Progress 7. 8's to your left. Here's your out there. There you go. That direction go. Come on, Trey, just go a little further. He's out of it. Okay, 109 left.
Driver from the bottom. You can if you want to. It's easier from the bottom.
50 seconds. Five seconds. Reverse.
What's my score?
You got 22 points. 24. 34. 25 seconds. 20 seconds. Come on, little truck. Drive through this in one shot for him. Okay, 10 seconds. All right, you're going to get this. Come on now, truck. Drive for him. 5 seconds. Okay, that's done.
So close.
I don't have a timer anymore.
On you, buddy.
Yeah,
You want me to run the timer?
Sure. I'm just trying to get footage.
Okay, because I don't mind running above.
Nope, I
Okay,
got it.
let's work through one. Progress 1.
I'm slow.
Grab up here, 2.
I've got this side.
Look at over here now. There you go. Okay. You're looking good. Found it.
You found that one rock?
Reverse. Okay, go on that one rock. Reverse. Okay.
So they picked the stick up.
Okay, there's a reverse there. Yeah, let's go right to 3. Get a chance to see this. The exit out of here is
Think slow, save your time. Do it right the first time.
There you go. Okay,
Nice.
watch your rock.
Watch that rock.
4 minutes exactly.
Arrow, you can see it. Okay, I got to be a little above it. I think this is slick.
I can't
This line right here.
Because of glare.
Come on, truck. Burn over there for him. There it is. All right, there it is.
He's gonna run it over.
Okay.
All right.
Save some time. Okay, there's a bonus.
Go ahead. Brian, go ahead. I'm trying to stand still.
Betsy's fixing ready to go.
He hit the roof. Runner.
Progress.
240.
All right.
Drive over a log like big. Oh, you got a link. You're dragging a link.
I have a screw.
I don't have
You see
anything.
a screw around here?
I wouldn't know where to look.
Thank you guys.
Yep.
Let's get it done.
Okay, I got him marked that. I only have it for 11 points.
Okay.
But you're really low on time.
Yeah, you're at 58 seconds.
Get up to the top
Last
and
thing I
to
want to
your
do is
left.
hurry with it.
To your left.
Stop down, stop down.
Oh, you didn't see me drive down it, did you?
Nope. I don't watch anybody drive.
Well, Logan was looking at course. He said, "Oh, we're gonna drive down right here."
I didn't look it over. I didn't even look it over.
Progress.
122
Get
seconds.
back up. Okay, and then progress.